broader spectrum of problems that companies are facing, and they are all connected to the poor user experience during the first session. Hi everyone, I'm Syuma, growth advisor and formerly head of growth design at Miro, where I spent 6 years and worked on different parts of the growth funnel. We decided to dedicate this session to the topic of user onboarding, and there is a reason for that. My recent shift to advisor helped me see a broader spectrum of problems that companies are facing and see that they are all connected to the poor user experience during the first session. I also recently finished a huge research on this topic, and I will be happy to share these insights with all of you on the first part of the session. During the second part of the session, we will walk through GrowthMentor onboarding, and we will try to put ourselves in the shoes of a user. So my mission is to help companies uncover growth opportunities together with excellent user experience. So I hope that all of you will find something useful as a result of this session. And if you want to reach out to me before that, feel free to do that on LinkedIn. Hope to see you on the session.